Hello, in this video I'll show you how to take studio photos using just two lights. So we're going to be using a two light setup for this very photo shoot or behind the scenes, and one light is going to be acting as an edge light or a hair light, and the second one is going to be the main light. So for this we are going to be using the Canon 6D camera using the Tamron 70-200mm f2.8, and I'm shooting at ISO 125. Shutter speed is 1/200th of a second. The aperture is 7.1 because whenever you're taking studio photos, you have to always darken the ambient lighting. So the photo you take should be pitch black. But for my light setup, I'm using two Godox AD600 BMs. One as the main light in this reverse umbrella, the 165cm reverse umbrella, and the other it is going to be in that cone acting as the highlight. So it is beamed away from the middle of the background on the C stand. So basically that is for my light setup. And for my white balance, I'm shooting at 5900 kelvins, and for the picture style I'm shooting in landscape. Basically that is it. So I'm shooting in raw and large, but the photos you're going to be seeing in this very video are going to be JPEG photos straight out of camera. So without further ado, let's get started with this. So like I said, the very first thing you have to do, take the photo by turning off the light. So make sure you have turned the ISO to the lowest. So for this I'll use the ISO of 125, the aperture of 7.1, shutter speed 1/200th of a second because I don't want to go into high speed sync in studio for this kind of session. So I'll first of all turn off my trigger and I show you how the first image without the light is going to be like. So this first image is basically with the hair light on, but it is actually pitch black. So you can see right now the image is pitch black on the screen. So after you have done this, we are just going to turn on our lights and we start taking. So let's take the first photo and I show you what it will look like. So this is the image straight out of camera, and as you can see, the hair light is going to create a little bit of separation between the subject and the background. You can see the hair light, so it is going to be for separating the subject from the background in this case. So we can start taking some beautiful photos. So you're going to cross down, yeah, then okay, one here on the hip, then one, yeah, perfect, beautiful. So let me, okay, can you look towards the light? Same pose. Okay, same pose again. This is perfect. Okay, same. Just raise this hand higher. So as usual, always remember to direct your models when you're trying to take photos if you want to have the best kind of images. So you can see right now the photos that we have taken look awesome straight out of camera. It is because we are using the right camera settings for this kind of session. So always make sure, if you don't want to waste a lot of time when trying to edit, get the images perfectly straight out of camera. So for this, I think we could have more. You will turn towards the light, yeah, then this one, yeah, stretch it forward, then on the hip, this one, back, just put this behind, yeah. The other one on you, yeah. That is perfect. So I'll be taking two versions, one as a half image and one as a full portrait. Wow, these look perfect. So I think I'll introduce in something so that you can sit and we see how that will work out. Oh, let's have you stand on that. Let me just put this down. Now push it towards this side. Slightly, yeah, there. Okay, let's do this. Then this one, yeah, perfect. But I want you to stand in the middle. In the middle, just push this side. Yeah, then do a same pose. Okay. Like I said, you're going to be taking two photos. Yes. Okay. Put it back. Nice. Just raise your chin slightly and face towards the light. Just close your eyes, face towards the light with the eyes closed. Yeah, this is perfect. So let me get closer ones for only your face. Just turn your whole body towards this side. Yeah. Then, okay. The other hand, let it touch in your hair. Then this other hand, just place it, or you can place it here. I just want half of those. Do you mind facing towards the light? And for this other hand, I would prefer just place it, then one foot in front, since this one. Yeah. Yeah, I like where the hand is. Perfect. Eyes here. Nice. So this is how you can take your studio images using just two lights. So we have been using the Godox AD600BM in the reverse umbrella, and we had one as the hair light. And for the camera, as usual, it is the Canon 6D camera. This is the first version, Canon 6D, using the Tamron 70-200mm f2.8. But for the camera settings, we have been shooting at ISO 125, shutter speed 1 out of 200th of a second. The aperture is 7.1. The white balance is 5,900 kelvins. And I've been shooting in RAW and large, and all the photos from this session are straight out of camera. They are not edited, straight out of camera. And basically, that is what we have been having for this kind of session. So in case you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to rectify or go about that question or query in my next video or behind the scenes. So let me know about what the next video should be about, and I'll make a video about that. Don't forget to keep practicing and as well keep creating.